Yo, check us out, Chopper Hill 919 with your boy Omega Supreme.
Yes, sir. I'll let your boy. I'm
Your
still
boy,
representing North Kakalaka, but I'm still in New York City.
your boy G behind me.
You already know.
Yo, and your Sincere. My man's Lil Woder over here to the right. Lil Woder right here. So get it in, niggas.
Yo, I'm about to get it in on this beat, just like doing on the weekends and dealing with a freak. Or in the club, rolling in the tub, a rubber dub, yo. Like when she topping me off, nutting me up. So good, never gave a fuck and crazy with it. But I still walk, my man, yo, laid me with it down on the fashion foundation, yo, mastering. That's why, yo, I roll in an orderly fashion. Yo, see what I'm rocking, see what I'm asking. Do you know that question? Nah, if you not past it. You know what I'm saying? On to the next. It's like Jay-Z said, but I'm still going on for them checks. I'm on for the vex. I'm on with a vest. Nah, I just got chest. And they try to say it's a man breast. Nah, I got fucking warrior shit that leave the man at rest. I'm right here. Tell my man G, let him know Lex.
Yeah. Check it. Yeah. I pump bass and I grind like the clips. I bet you won't talk shit with your nine on your lips. Niggas blow the half ounce till they pass out. I'm taking everything you got till you assed out. Try to play me close like you know till I bust the tech and leave all spots in your goatee. Nah, we ain't homies. Nah, you don't know me. I roll with real niggas. I don't roll with the phonies. Yeah, nigga, like this. Get a twist, light up some piff. Put it in the air. We got them OEs, we throwing in them back. I don't give a fuck, nigga. We got the semis in the back. Yeah, nigga, what up? Holla back. I don't give a fuck, nigga. You don't want me to react like a cobra, nigga. I done told you. I don't give a fuck. I'm spitting, but I'm just spitting. Just fuck with it. Yeah, nigga.
Yo, still fuck with it. That's right. Even if they stuck with it, they out of luck with it. Still good like fish, yo. Keep it tuck with it. I like that shit, nigga. I'll rock with it. I'm in the rock. That's right, yo. Flush with it. So good. That's right. Never gave a fuck with it, but I throw it up, nigga. Throw the cups in it with a liquor. Yo, rushing it. That's right, yo. Throw a couple of ice cubes with it. That's right. I like it. Ice rocked out, yo. That's what I do with it. It's so cool with it. Chicks they rock too fitted. I come 2 rounds, yo, but I
Yo,
got two
his bitches
acidic.
rock cool with it. But my bitches to the bed, yo, we straight cool whipping it. Yo, I do my shit. Freak nasty nigga. Yo, I did that bitch. Hey, he talking about twisted like licorice type of nigga come through and just switch up with different bitches on different days of the week. Like candy coated Chevys, I'm hot with this shit. Hey,
Yo,
and
that's right, I rock with this shit. That's right, niggas, I'm staying off top with this shit. Off or not with this. That's right, I throw it in the pot with this. Melt like Galapagos. Yo, it's not 2012, 2000 Omega top of this. That's right, nigga, I'm here. It's all gravy, it's clear. But maybe I'm just a little too far for y'all.